Get ready to witness a groundbreaking achievement in construction. India has just built its first 3D printed house in an astonishing 48 hours. This isn't just a house. It's a glimpse into the future of how we build. India is stepping into a new era of rapid, efficient, and sustainable construction. Imagine a house going from foundation to completion in just 2 days. This incredible speed is possible thanks to advanced 3D printing technology. The process is fascinating. Giant robotic arms precisely layer concrete, creating walls and structures with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Beyond speed, 3D printing offers numerous advantages: reduced waste, lower labor costs, and the ability to create complex designs effortlessly. This pioneering project in India sets a precedent for the future of construction, promising more affordable and accessible housing for everyone. What do you think about this incredible innovation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic tech updates.